Fruit is an important part of a healthy diet. In fact, diets high in fruit are associated with all sorts of health benefits, including a decreased risk of many diseases. However, some people are concerned with the sugar content of fruit and worry that eating too much of it may be harmful. So, how many servings of fruit should you eat each day to be healthy? And is it possible to eat too much? This video explores the current research on the topic. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the healthiest citrus fruits. Besides being a good source of vitamins and minerals, it is known for its ability to aid weight loss and reduce insulin resistance. For example, in a study in 91 people, those who ate half a fresh grapefruit before meals lost 2.9 pounds, 1.3 kg more weight than those who did not. In the same study, the grapefruit group had a significant reduction in insulin levels and reduced insulin resistance. Also, eating grapefruit has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and help prevent kidney stones. Pineapple. Among the tropical fruits, pineapple is a nutrition superstar. 1 cup 237 ml of pineapple provides 131% of reference daily intake RDI for vitamin C and 76% of the RDI for manganese. Pineapple also contains bromelain, a mixture of enzymes known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to digest protein. Test tube and animal studies suggest that bromelain may help protect against cancer and tumor growth. Oranges. Oranges are packed with vitamin C and potassium. They also contain flavonoids, plant nutrients with anti-inflammatory properties. Oranges are not too sweet, so you don't end up carving sugary sweets after eating, one Highland says. They are also the perfect fruit to eat before a long training run or other sports or aerobic activity. Eating an orange is better than just drinking its juice. You get 3 grams of fiber in an orange, which has 69 calories and 12 grams of natural sugar. Strawberries. Strawberries are highly nutritious. Their vitamin C, manganese, folate and potassium contents are where they really shine. Compared to other fruits, strawberries have a relatively low glycemic index. Eating them should not cause a big blood sugar spike. Similarly to the other berries, strawberries have a high antioxidant capacity, which may reduce your risk of chronic disease. Animal and test tube studies have found that strawberries may also help prevent cancer and tumor formation.